100% stack bar chart. So basically 100% stack bar chart is a horizontal stack to 100%, emphasizing proportion. So if you have data set in proportion, or if you want to show the data set in term of proportion, that is in that scenario, it is best option to use 100% stack bar chart. When to use it? To compare relative share across categorical horizontals, focusing on percentage rather than absolute. As I said earlier, that if you want to represent your data in absolute term, go with the stack bar chart. But if you want to represent your data in percentage, then the best option is go with 100% stack bar chart. So in which scenario it is suitable? If you want to show implied distribution by role, out of 100 employees, how many are in admin? Out of 100 employees, how many are in attendant? Out of 100 employees, how many are in faculty? So this is how the total number of employed are distributed in different roles. So if you want to show this data set, then it is best option for you to use this chart, that is 100% stack bar chart. So labeling option. So the best option is that you can use y-axis for representation of the categories and x-axis for the percentage 0 to 100. You can also call it as numerical values. For legend proportional segment, data label percentages, again it is an additional or option that if you want to on them or if you want to keep them off. And the main thing is that keep to avoid absolute value emphasizes. But as we are more interested to show data in percentages, so avoid absolute values while using 100% stack bar chart. So here you can see that we have a 100% stack bar chart. So on y-axis we have the data for category. On x-axis we have the data of sales, and we also have labeled our data set, and we also have on the option of legend. Here you can see that legend is on, and so that's why legends are showing here, and data label is also on, so that's why data is properly showing here in each bar. So this is how you can make and represent the 100% stack bar chart.